video I'm going to create this Pinterest inspired look. So if you want to know how I'm going to achieve this look, so please keep on watching this video till end, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial. I don't have any makeup on my face and I'm really hoping to create the same look as shown in the photo. There might be some difference in my look and hers look, but I'll try to do same at least for the eye makeup part. So let's get started, and the first thing we are going to do is prep my skin, and for that I'm going to use this illuminating moisturizer from Sugar and primer from Blue Heaven. Let's do this. So guys, I would like to clear some things out that I am not a professional makeup artist, but I love doing makeup a lot and creating different kind of makeup look just for fun. So is this channel. I always try to create different and unique styles of makeup, and even I create some challenging videos in which I challenge myself. So is it in this video in which I just took a small inspiration from Pinterest and I'm trying to do that same makeup in this tutorial. Foundation part, I will quickly do my eyebrows like magic. So guys, I have done my eyebrows and I have done really thick and dark because in this photo eyebrows seem really dark. So yes, that's how my eyebrows are looking right now. Drop the base serum foundation from Sugar, and in this my shade is 50. It is a darker shade for my skin tone. ठीक है, कर लेंगे अभी. So when it comes to learning makeup and makeup skills, I have never done any professional course of makeup or artistry. I have just seen my mom doing her makeup. When she used to get ready and do her makeup, I always used to observe the way she used to do her makeup routine. And that might be the reason that my also interest grew more in doing makeup. Using this brush just feels like that I'm painting on my face. Concealer, I'm going to use this concealer palette from Inside. And when it comes to her makeup vanity kit, it was so huge, like literally she used to have more makeup products than what I am having now. Also now I am able to remember few things vividly, that I used to spoil her lipsticks by scribbling that on wall. Now I can understand how painful it was for her back then when she used to see her makeup getting spoiled and wasted like this. Set my base makeup with help of this banana powder from Sugar. So again here you will see me getting out of my comfort zone, and I'm trying to bake my skin with help of this banana powder, but I don't think so that is anyhow happening. I'm just trying, like I have observed many girls doing like this in the videos, so I'm just trying to do the same thing, and I think it's done. I have to do more research from my end to do this more properly. So now I'm selecting this light brown shade from Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids. So now I'm selecting this darker shade from other Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to apply that on my crease area. Also I will be extending this eyeshadow in outward direction of my eyelids. Okay, so it might be look messy at the start, but anyhow we are going to cover up the mess with help of the concealer. I strongly believe concealer as a magical product, because whenever you do any mess in your makeup or any kind of look that you're trying to create, concealer is always there to have your back to fix all your issues. Now I'm taking concealer in back of my hand, and I'm trying to create a full cut crease with help of this concealer, and I'm using a small brush to create that cut crease. Over here I was struggling again due to lack of confidence, but anyhow I'm trying my best to do this cut crease perfectly. So here comes the part where I'm trying to believe in myself. So believe is most important thing that everyone should do within themselves, because when you believe in a particular thing that you're going to achieve or you're going to get successful in future, then you're definitely going to do that, because whatever you desire and you believe in your desire, you're going to get that desire accomplished successfully. There might be a lot of hurdles in your way to fulfill your desires. But at the end, you know that you're going to cross those hurdles and get your wish and desires complete successfully. Over here, I'm taking this nude shade from the same Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to just dab it on the concealer area because I want to set my concealer with help of this eyeshadow. So here I'm using this eyeliner from Show Cosmetics, and in this I'm using the shade 01. Okay, so with the eyeliner I'm trying to create a proper wing eyeliner. Also I'm going to create like more like a foxy eyes kind of look with the help of this eyeliner. I'm trying to create this wing with full concentration because I don't want to mess my look at the end. Over here I'm trying to apply the eyeliner on my inner corners of my eyes, and after that I'm just going to apply eyeliner on my lower lash line so that it looks complete. Now I'm using this black kajal from Sugar. It is in the shade 01 Blackout, and I'm going to apply that kajal on my lower waterline and on my upper waterline, and I'm going to tightline my eyes with this kajal. So far this look is coming out really well, and I'm tired now. So what I did over here, I took a little bit of that brown eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm smudging that a little bit on my lower lash line with my kajal. So it's kind of giving a smoky kind of look. And with that, we are done with the eye makeup finally. This blush palette from Show Cosmetics, and it's the shade 02 Vivid Victory. So now I'm bronzing my face. Now I'll be using the same palette for my blush as well as for highlighting. So I'm going to highlight high points of my face. So in the photo what I have seen, her face is more sculpted, so I will apply blush in upward direction. So I'll start from here and I'll just try to take it like so. After I'm done with blush, I'm going to apply lipstick, but I was not having the same nude lipstick what she used in that photo, so I'm going to DIY and make my own lip shade. First I'm lining my lips with this Wet n Wild lip liner, and in this shade I'm using is Chestnut. Now I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick and applying it on my lips, and this shade I don't remember, I will mention in the description box to check that out. Okay, what I did, I applied here concealer on my lips, and this is a disaster what happened. So there might be some things in your life that might not go actually how you had planned, but over here in makeup we can fix this. I'm just going to remove this and do it again, but this time I'm sure that I'm not going to fail. I'm going to successfully complete this mission. So I'm doing again, and this is going to be perfectly fine. So this concealer hack that I used to make my lipstick look nude is working pretty well, and you can see the results are so good. Now I'm applying mascara on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. You have choice, you can, if you're going to create this look, then you can use eyelashes as well, falsies, but I really don't like them, so I'm not using. And that's all. We are done with this complete makeup look. So guys, this is the final look. I know it is not similar to hers, but slightly, just minor different. It's just little different than hers, okay, and it's worth a try. I enjoyed a lot while filming this video, and I hope you guys also like this tutorial. And if you do like, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment on this video and let me know what you think about this look. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you next time in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.